What's up, guys? Sorry for the late stream. Um, it's technically, I'm counting this as daily. I don't care. If I'm awake in the daytime, eh, don't go to bed. It's the same day. Argue with a wall. Um, so it's day 61. Um, I've spent the day with my girlfriend, which is why this is late. And I just got Domino's with said girlfriend. So I'm going to speed run this fucking problem and then we're going to get out of here. Oh, I need to open this on my phone so I can read chat, actually. But yeah, sorry for the late stream. But also, we are 4 subscribers away from 1,000, so kind of swaggy. Kind of swaggy. Okay. Chat is now open. Cool. Looks fine. Okay. Let's see how difficult this problem is. Please, hopefully not that difficult. Okay, why are we lagging? Oh, because I need to probably encoding overload. Yeah. Okay. Please, leetcode, can we respond? Okay. Load, please. Okay, I mean, we can read it regardless. Given a positive integer n, return the punishment number of n. The punishment number of n is defined as the sum of the square of all integers I. Punishment number of n is defined as the sum of the squares of all integers I, such that 1 is less than or equal to I is less than or equal to n. The decimal representation of I times I can be partitioned into contiguous substrings such that the sum of integer values of these substrings equal I. The fuck? What does that mean? Let me go through the examples because I'm just like not at all fucking sure what I just read. So there are exactly 3 integers I in the range 1 through 10. Okay, that satisfy the condition. Oh, okay. I get it. I think I do at least. So you loop over, in this case would be 1 to 37. Okay. Because 36 squared is this. So, um, trying to think if there's a way to save compute time to like know this stuff before, but I think we might have to do it at runtime. Like compute which ones are valid or not. But that just might be so slow. Because is there a certain pattern to these numbers? 1, 9, 10, 36. Not really. I mean, like, this is 3 squared, that's 6 squared. No, I don't think it's a pattern like that. Because the numbers can just be random. Oh shit, what's up? I tried this question just now. It uses recursion. Recursion? Interesting. You can hard code 1,000. You have to find it manually. Yeah, honestly, because I was looking at this and I was like, 1,000 is not a lot. But it'd just be like, for each 1,000, you then have to iterate, like cast it to a string, then iterate over it to find its sum. So it'd be like O of length of nums times length of the number in like the length of the string of the number, which I'm assuming is just going to time out. Because like obviously that's the naive solution, is just brute force it. I'm just trying to think if there's a better one. Because like I'm actually, since I don't have a lot of time, I'd be interested to see if I can just brute force it in regards to like time complexity and not timing out. Would be very cool. Or what's the fast way to sum digits? Or wait, no, we have to square it first. I don't know, I need to do that. So sum of digits is equal to int char for char in the string of num to the power of 2. If sum of digits is equal to num. I need to make this a list, but you get the idea. Or wait, no, I was right. You do plus equals. Oh, they can be broken down like that? Oh, shit. Fuck, this is a lot harder than you were so right. I'm trying to like do this quickly because I want to go do something else. Shit. So we need to be able to break it apart into subcompartments, which almost kind of sounds like DP to check each case. Late one, yes, I'm currently with my girlfriend, so I don't know if this is the best problem for me to be trying, because it looks like for each number I'm going to be having to do DP to examine if a valid solution is there. Oh god. So the DP part of this is, for DP I always have to just write it out. For each number we need to cast it as a string pretty much, and then at each new position we can either make the substring longer, or start a new substring and plus equals, or start a new substring and then sum the substrings when casted to ints, I think is the basics. don't know if doing it with strings is going to be the best. I think maybe we use arrays. And then do like the blank dot join, just because I know if you pass strings, you're like, it uses a ton more memory, I think. I actually don't know that off the top of my head. I feel like that's just wrong, kind of. But I think this is the basics. What would be the base case for this? So base case is when would it be the length, like index is just greater than substring length? Or is it just always that? Because I'm trying to think, like, what are we returning in this DP? Like, yeah, we're kind of just returning true or false, right? Because in the base case, once the index is greater than the length, we can just also check the sum. And if the sum is equal at that point, then we just pop it up. I mean, like, I have like a vague understanding, so I guess I'll just start. So the DP is going to take in an index. Do we need to take in like a cur so far? Like a cur num so far? I don't know. Fucking course it's dynamic programming the time I just want to do a quick one. Okay, now I know I want target. And then I guess just num. But then, wait, in this, where are we? Don't I need a tracker for the sum? Do I have 4 parameters? Because that's kind of crazy. Or wait, target and num are the same thing. What the fuck am I doing? Wait, index the current I and then the square value? I don't know if that makes sense. Because the current I is directly correlated with the squared value. I think we do int target and cur sum, even though that might fuck us up. Because I feel like the last time I passed the current variable, it was just bad. But whatever. If index is greater than, or no, we also need the length of the target. This is greater than the length of, or do we just pass target as a string? We're just going to pass target as a string. Or is DP in bed? You want to know the worst part? My girlfriend is like right next to me, like, and I'm doing leetcode. Do you know how bad that is? She just waved, but the camera's on me. Do you know how badly I don't want to be doing this?
No, you got it.
But I have to. I'm committed. Oh my god, I cannot believe this is my life. Smiling through it all. Can't believe this is my life. Wait, no, this is just stupid. This is not gonna work. Because I need to be able to do these chunks. I'm doing the chunks all wrong. Because I need to be able to either take the chunk of the substring shit, dude. Because we need to know like the current substring to know like if we're appending to that substring. Because we need to know what chunks we're using. Like actually low-key, there's a hacky way I could do this, I think. So cursum would be so the one case is if we're appending it, which would make no, because I need to know where it is. Fuck. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm gonna look at the solution and I'm gonna go to bed. Because the thing I'm running into is for the previous chunk, like if we have something like this where it's like one was a chunk. Oh god, this is so laggy. I'm sorry if it's gonna be really laggy on stream. And like 28 or something. I was thinking like we sum these and then multiply by 10 to slot in like appending. But I just don't think that's right. I just don't think that works. Because it's like we have to know when the split was previously. So I think if I had more time, I could get this, but I'm gonna be real. I only wanted this stream to go like 15 minutes, and it's already been more than 15 minutes. So I'm gonna read the solution. I'm just gonna understand it. I'm gonna go to bed. We'll do more tomorrow. Just because I don't want to spend the time tonight, to be honest. Can do it, bro. I appreciate you. I feel like I could eventually. Or like if I was given enough time. Dude, okay. This is I knew somebody was just gonna fucking do this. Just pre-compute the fucking numbers because I knew there wasn't enough of them. That's so fucking funny. Not helpful for me at all. God damn it. My laptop is like, for some reason it does so much better. I mean, I understand the reason. It does so much better when I like have a monitor because it does this like encoding overload thing. Okay, so bool can partition. So this is essentially what I was thinking. So it takes in a string s and an int target. That makes sense to me. Oh, so they're just removing from s. Gotcha. I don't exactly know C++, but I feel like I can intuit most of this. If the target is less than 0, why would the target be less than 0? Oh, because you're just trying to get closer, so it's target minus left num. Would recur in index, string val, and num. Oh yeah, and then you just do 10 times the shift. Okay. Yeah, I was on the right track. I think I definitely could have gotten there if I spent more time. But I'm not upset with this. I mean, I feel like I digested the problem fine, and it's not that big of a deal. I want to learn more about this partition thing, though. I don't exactly know. I don't exactly know what partition means. Or I guess, wait, no, this is just rewriting everything in one line. This is just DP. Because 10 is just like the shifts amount. Okay. Yeah, so I just need to work on knowing the DP parameters and defining that well beforehand. All right, whatever. It's been 22 minutes, so I want to eat my pizza and go to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a longer stream for day 62. Thank you for tuning in, Rana. Appreciate you. And anyone else that also tuned in. Hope you guys had a lovely Valentine's Day. I'll see you tomorrow for day 62. Good night.